welcome back to my channel. I am Juju Gurgel, your Florida lifestyle blogger, and today I will be teaching you how to make your own stretch mark blend using only natural products and essential oils. So stay tuned. I am pregnant with my fourth baby. I am about 5 months pregnant, 23 weeks today to be exact. And I have been using this stretch mark blend oil on my belly every single day, twice a day. Now, with my first baby, I was about 19 years old. I was unaware of stretch marks. I was unaware of the things that you could do to minimize them, and I was totally not familiar with essential oils. So I did acquire some stretch marks during my first pregnancy, but as I told you, this is my fourth pregnancy, and with my second and third baby, I used this blend to prevent stretch marks. I did not gain not one single stretch mark with my second and third baby, and I haven't gained any with this one as well. And like I said, I have been using this blend religiously, and today I will be showing you exactly how to make your own at home using only natural products and essential oils. So let's go ahead and get started. And what you need for this video is 4 ounces of amber glass bottle, geranium essential oil, wild orange essential oil, citrus bliss, also known as invigorating blend, lavender essential oil, and cypress essential oil. And last, a carrier oil, which I'll be using today, sweet almond oil. So let's start off with cypress. You need 10 drops of cypress, 5 drops of geranium, 10 drops of citrus bliss or your invigorating blend, 10 drops of wild orange, and 10 drops of lavender. Go ahead and fill it up with your carrier oil of choice. Stretch mark blend is ready to be used. Was that easy or what? Very, very simple to use, and the great thing is that you know exactly what's going in your product. My biggest issue with products that you buy from the drugstore and from Amazon and all of these stores is that you don't really know the ingredients, and sometimes you can even pronounce the ingredients. So you're putting on your belly, and remember, your skin is your biggest organ. So everything that your skin is ingesting, your baby is taking that too. So I'm very, very cautious with what I put on my skin, especially when I am pregnant. And this product is everything natural. Not only is great for you, it's also good for your baby. and I love it. I love the smell of it. And you can also use this blend over here even after you are done with pregnancy. So you can moisturize your skin. I also use it after I shave to ensure that my skin is hydrated. I really love this blend, and I hope that you do too. Let me know in the comments below if you will be trying out this recipe, or if you have already tried it, or even if you have other recipes that have worked for you and are also 100% natural. Now, if you liked this video and it has brought you value, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can become part of the Jujubee family. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have an awesome day. And if you are expecting a baby, I hope that you have a healthy pregnancy and a healthy baby. Bye-bye now.